Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. And today, we will be showing you guys how to get out of RDP Inception. So, first, you logged into the server, and then you logged into a Hyper-V machine. Normally, you just hover over the top, and you get this fancy little blue bar. But since it's double RDP'd, the first host is the bar that shows up on top. As you can see, even though I move it, the one from the second RDP is not showing up. The only way so far to get out of it is to hit Control-Alt-End, and then this pulls up the security screen of the original host from the first RDP. Then you can hit Task Manager, which then pulls up the taskbar at the bottom, and then all you have to do is right-click, close window, and then as you can see, you have your Hyper-V Manager open, and then all you have to do is hit connect again. And then the great thing this time is if you hit the maximize button, you will then have your blue bar back, and a good way to avoid this problem in the future is to move this bar here, and then as you can see, I have both the virtual machine within my server host. If you do this a third RDP, which is very possible, I recommend that you then move that bar to the right over here, and then remember Control-Alt-End. Now, I do believe that is the end of our tutorial on getting out of RDP Inception, so let us know down in the comments what you would like to do a tutorial over next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.